Welcome to the Netherlands, the heart of international horticulture. Nowhere else in the world is this sector as innovative and sustainable as in the Netherlands. 85,000 people are employed in the horticulture industry, and the production value of this sector amounts to 10.5 billion euros. There are 9,000 hectares of greenhouses in the Netherlands. This is the same size as about 13,300 football fields. Ortwin proudly takes you on a tour of Agrocare, one of the growers of Harvest House. Agrocare grows 12 varieties of tomatoes on 205.5 hectares, spread across 6 locations, 3 of which are in the Netherlands, Wieringermeer, Westland and Rieland. Agrocare also has locations in France, Morocco and Tunisia. In this greenhouse in Middenmeer, college friends and founders of Agrocare, Philip van Antwerpen and Kees van Veen, and their team grows 7 varieties all year round. The employees harvest the tomatoes by hand. And electric harvest trolleys transport the tomatoes. Tomato plants can reach a length of 15 meters. That is why employees lead the vines of the plant vertically along a wire. The plants receive water and nutrition every single day. In the Netherlands, we use only 7.5 litres of water per kilogram of tomatoes, which is controlled drop by drop. In comparison, you need 108 litres of water for every kilogram of field-produced tomatoes. That is 14 times as much water. These tubes not only heat the greenhouse, but also have a logistical function. They are also the rails for the internal transport system of the tomatoes. The bumblebees in the greenhouses pollinate the tomato flowers, which is nature's way of giving horticulture a hand. The greenhouse is filled with life. Growers release parasitic wasps and predatory mites inside to combat pests. This is called biological crop protection. The use of these natural enemies has allowed the Dutch horticulture industry to reduce their reliance on pesticides by an astounding 70%. These varieties meet the highest standards for quality and flavour. The taste and quality of our tomatoes is constant all year round, even in the winter when use is made of lighting. The energy that is needed is generated by the CHP. The growers use the heat and CO2 released during this process directly in the greenhouse for the plants. In this way, growers use the energy as efficiently as possible and contribute to a more sustainable world. Our growers collect the rainwater that lands on the greenhouse in basins. They use this to water the plants inside the greenhouse all year round. Water that is not absorbed by the plants is collected, purified and reused. Not a drop is lost, and precious nutrients are preserved. The CHP, combined heat and power, produces both electricity and heat at the same time. This is used directly inside the greenhouse by our growers, saving 20% fuel and resulting in much lower CO2 emissions. Greenpack works round the clock, packing our salads in packaging that is precisely tailored to the wishes of the client. Such speed and efficiency ensure that our tomatoes, sweet peppers and cucumbers are always fresh. Packaging takes place according to a strict protocol to ensure food safety. On the basis of internal and external data and trends, our marketers advise the retailer on how to increase returns and stimulate category growth for salads. Motivated salespeople who know their business ensure that the tomatoes, sweet peppers and cucumbers of our growers arrive at our international clients as quickly as possible via efficient chain solutions. Harvest House. Independence is achieved together.